Yeah.
Okay, so this time we will have IPA vowel quiz. Are you ready? Are you ready, everyone? Okay, so we can use this pen, okay? We can use to write anything else, just like earlier. Okay, for example, far. Okay, so the answer is far. Or you can also write here like far. Okay, you can type it like this far, like that. Okay, are you ready? So, number one, two, three, four, five, Tao Mi. Number 6 to 10, Bao Yan. Number 11 to 15, Bao Chao. Okay, are you ready? You can use the text here, then type here like that. Okay, everyone, okay? Hello. Are you still
Yes.
there? Okay, so now let's have, okay, at the count of one, two, three, go. Quick, 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 quick. Type, 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 type. And I cannot see your faces. Please turn on your cameras. Okay, let's have a quiz. Please write down the IPA, the word of from the IPA. So IPA, and then you write the word. Okay, go, go, go. Quick, 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 quick. You can write anything, or you can use the drawing like this, far, like that. Okay, just write something right there. Okay, ready? Okay, let's have it. Quick, quick, quick. Bao and Tao Mi. Yes, very good, Tao Mi. I can see you're writing. How about Bao? Number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bao will answer. Okay? Yes? Quick, quick, quick. Okay. Bao Chao is not yet joining, right? Okay. Please write down. Quick, quick, quick. Can
I
we have
don't
it?
write.
You can write like this, like for example, you can just um can you see the pencil like this?
No, my screen.
Your screen is not good?
Yes.
Okay. Can you type in the chat box? Teacher will write for you. For example, number one, far, like that. Number two, like that. Okay? In the chat box, teacher will write for you. I'll give you. Okay, let's set a timer. Maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes starts now. Go. Baoyan also, please write down. Baoyan, you can, if you cannot write it here, just put it in the chat box. Okay. Yes.
No, my screen.
Just type it in the chat box. Type in the chat box. This one. In the chat box. Baoyan. Can you see? Just type it in the chat box. Just type your answer. Baoyan, can you see?
No.
You cannot see the chat box? Type it
I
here.
see I
Type it
see
here.
far and keep here.
Huh?
Keep it here.
This one, type it here. Okay. All right. So before, since you're having a technical issue, so Bao Yan, what's the answer here? This one. Number 6. What's the answer?
I don't see because my screen is not.
You cannot see my screen. How about Taomi? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, we can see the screen, right? Oh, okay. Bao Yan, can you log out and then come back again? Okay, time is up. All right, so the correct answer is okay. Thank you so much, Tommy, for the try. So this one's far, yes. Pot, horse, and what's this? This one? Red? This one
Yes.
is wrong. This one is law. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the correct answers. Okay, the correct answers are this. Okay. This one is, for example, this one is 4. I just write the wrong answer, by the way. Sorry. So it's not far, it's 4. Okay, it's 4. Oh, it's not right?
Yeah.
So
The
I
teacher.
just, because
Uh,
the correct answer
uh,
is this
the
one,
teacher.
far.
Teacher.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I have a class letter.
You have a class?
Class later.
You have a class now?
At third 30.
3:30. Yes, we will finish at 3:30 also. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So this time, these are the IPA vowel quiz. Okay. So these are the answers. So we have all the answers here. Okay. So this time can we have the last example? Can we read it for the last time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Taomi, 9 to 15, Baoyan. Okay, Tommy, please read.
4.
Yes, next.
Pot.
Yes.
Horse.
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 Yes.
Rod.
Yes.
Law.
Yes.
Not.
Yes.
Pot.
Board.
Bot.
Yes. Next.
Cot.
Good job. Okay, Baoyan, number 9.
Hot,
Yes.
fog,
Yes.
log, frog,
Lawn.
car,
Lawn. Can you say number 11 one more time? Lawn.
lawn,
Yes. Number 12.
shock,
Yes. Number 13.
corn,
Yes. Number 14.
pot,
Yes. Number 15.
york.
Good job. Okay. Thank you so much, students. So by the way, this slide here, starting from here, we will continue our discussion next week. Okay? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. So again, we will continue our discussion next week because Taomi has a class. All right. So I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Did you enjoy our lesson for today? If you enjoy it, can you give me a heart? Yes. Okay, wow. Okay, thank you so much. And you can just give me more heart reaction like this. Thank you so much, dear students. And next week, we will continue with our pronunciation lesson. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye and see you. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.